Comrade Reactor! Comrade Reactor!
What just happened?
I don't know. There's a fire in the turbine hall.
The turbine hall. The control system tank, hydrogen. You and Toktanov, you morons, blew the tank.
No, that's not...
This is an emergency. Everyone stay calm. Our first priority
It exploded!
We know. Akimov, are we calling the reactor core?
We shut it down, but the control rods are still... They're not all the way in. I disengaged the clutch.
I'll disconnect the servos from the standby console. You two, get the backup pumps running. We need water moving through the core. That is all that matters.
There is no core. It exploded. The core exploded.
He's in shock. Get him out of here.
The lid is off. The stack is burning. I saw it.
You're confused. RBMK reactor cores don't explode. Akimov.
Sasha, don't worry. We did everything right. Something strange has happened.
You taste metal.
Akimov!
Comrade Perovoshenko, what you're saying is physically impossible. The core can't explode. It has to be the tank.
We're wasting time. Let's go. Get the hydrogen out of the generators and pump water into the core.
What about the fire?
Call the fire brigade.